98 Chevy Silverado 350 Vortec motor, 145,000 miles. Okay, what happened was I heard a noise when I was trying to start it, nasty noise. It sounded like the starter wasn't even hitting the flywheel. Took the flywheel, teeth were grinded out, starter teeth were all grinded. Replaced the flywheel, replaced the starter, still did it. I ran like crap before. Sometimes on startup, wouldn't even, you'd full throttle it, wouldn't even go. I'm going to try to start it, see if you can hear the problem, see what you guys think. That's what it's doing. Like I said, replace the flywheel, replace the starter, it still sounds like shit. Sometimes it runs like shit, sometimes it doesn't. It's an intermittent problem. Let me know what you guys think.